Go up to 14, and then I'm going to start to lower it. Lower. You see that here? You can actually control the pressure. Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to the step-by-step dimmer mod on your Breville Barista Express. Here's what we need: wire cutter, wire clips, screwdriver, ladle nose, some kind of picking tool, dimmer. You can get it from Home Depot, Ace Hardware, you can get from anywhere. Some wires. First, we have to remove the top of the Breville Barista Express. We have two screws right underneath here and there. Followed by the back. Remove the water tank. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also we have screws right underneath. And we have one last screw right inside. And also we have two more screws, 1 and 2, just to make sure unscrew that as well. Now we can move the hopper. Make sure lift gently, and then you can set to the side here. Just make sure watch out for this wire clip here. Hope you guys can see it. And you're going to unhook the connector. From here, just make sure unhook the connector, just like so. So now we can set to the side. As you can see, it's pretty dirty inside. You know what? This is a good opportunity to just make sure, use your vacuum cleaner to clean everything out. So make sure nice and clean. Once we got all the screw moved, just make sure you're gonna work it, okay? Just make sure, don't be shy. Just give it a little good force. You're not gonna break it, so just make sure work on it to side to side. So now the back plate is open. So you have a water hose there, but I'm not going to unhook it. I think I can get to the wire pretty easily from here. As you can see from the pump, we have yellow and blue wire. I think yellow is a lot easier to get to, so I'm planning on removing this and bypass that with dimmer. First, we are going to disconnect the yellow cable from the pump. Okay, so pretty much here's the dimmer. We are going to bypass this wire here. So we're going to set here, connect here, and also goes to the other one goes to here. So we are going to control the pump pressure. So plan is I'm going to mount, I'm not going to mount, I think I'm going to use a double side tape or something like that, sticking right here. Run the wire from this angle for now, okay, which means I'm planning on using extender wire to connect to the connectors. So now we have two clips ready. I'm just gonna go one here and one underneath. And now all the wires are all connected. You know, let's give it a test run. Now, as you can see, everything works great. So dimmer mod works. Okay, so now what I need to do is I'm going to make, looks nice. make sure I have to electric tape over the wire as well. And after that, put everything back together. You should be all good to go. So dimmer mod project is done. So let's try a 9-bar test. See what kind of pressure we're gonna get. Okay, let's start with full power. Should be around 14 bar for the initial. Yep, it's about 14 bar there. A second shot with the dimmer mod. Go up to 14, and then I'm going to start to lower it. Lower. You see that here? You can actually control the pressure. As you can see, dimmer mod does work. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Okay, down below. By the way, please let me know in the comment section. Love to hear your thoughts on it. And also, how many of you out there actually thinking about doing something like this? Okay, I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'm going to see you guys next time.